Owning a pool should be easy. Making family memories, improved health benefits, plus that simple pleasure of relaxation. Simplify your pool life with Paramount's PCC2000, the pinnacle of modern in-floor cleaning and circulation systems, and build your pool to clean itself, so you don't have to. Here's how it works. PCC2000 is a one-of-a-kind proprietary system utilizing technologically advanced nozzles placed in the floor, spa, steps, and benches. When activated by Paramount's patented hydraulic water valve, these cleaning nozzles pop up in a controlled sequence, directing a stream of water that moves debris toward the patented debris collection zone. Stretching across the deepest part of your pool, this invisible debris collection zone consisting of fixed nozzles and down jets channels debris to the active MDX R3 safety drain for powerful debris removal. From there, debris travels to optional deck side or equipment pad debris canisters for easy debris removal. When not operating, the nozzles disappear back into the pool floor, making them virtually invisible. No unsightly robotic cleaners or hoses. Just a sparkling clean pool. Always swim ready. Always ready to enjoy. Unlike traditional pools, which return water near the surface, PCC2000 circulates water to the entire pool by returning it throughout the pool floor. This mixing action improves circulation, reduces chemical use and heating costs, and provides a more consistent pool temperature. Even without a heater, you can extend the length of your swimming pool season with the sun-warmed water more evenly circulated to every depth of the pool. Since 1964, Paramount has been committed to helping you get maximum enjoyment out of your new pool with minimal effort. Built here in the USA by the world's #1 in-floor cleaning systems company, PCC2000 comes with a 99% cleaning guarantee and limited lifetime warranty on cleaning jets. Discover how simple cleaning your new pool can be with the one-of-a-kind patented PCC2000. We're Paramount, and it's what we do. Now that's pool life simplified.